Hello everyone, I'm Teacher Kiran. Welcome to my video tutorial. I hope everyone is happy and healthy at home. Okay, today I'm going to share with all of you on how to create e-bulletin using Anyflip. Okay, this is my second video tutorial on this Anyflip application or website. Okay, but this time around it is specially for students. Okay, so the information will be very beneficial for students for their projects and so on. Okay, so first we need to remember the 5 steps. Firstly, you need to plan your content carefully in groups or in pairs or individual. Then you need to compile pictures, videos, music, but make sure you compress those pictures and videos so that they do not take up so much of space. Okay, the third step is to use PowerPoint to prepare the e-bulletin layout. And once you are happy with it, then you save it as PDF. And finally, you click on Anyflip and upload your PDF there. Okay, so we'll go to step number 3 because I've already compiled everything in a folder. Okay, right. So step number 3, I've already started creating the title. Okay, and this is my project given by my English teacher. So I am going to do on grammar and idioms. So the second page, I am introducing my teacher here, Teacher Jessie, and this is her life quote. Education is the key to success. Okay, as you can see, it's quite plain. Okay, so today I'm going to teach you how to add a wallpaper. Okay, so I have saved some wallpapers in my folder. I've downloaded them from the internet. Preferably the wallpapers should not have any watermarks or any written words and all that. It should be just plain picture. Okay, so I'll click insert picture, and I'm going to choose from my folder here, Let's Learn English. So I'm going to click here and I'm going to choose maybe this one. Okay, so this is my wallpaper. So I'm going to place it right at the end and I'm going to pull it down here to cover the whole slide. Okay, right. So you can see now all my titles, type titles and all is at the back. So I'm going to put this wallpaper behind. So I have to right click, send to back click, and the rest will appear. Then you can adjust accordingly. You can change the outline if it's not in contrast. Okay, then we go to the second page and I'm going to do the same thing. Now, my advice is to prepare what you need to have on your slides before you insert the wallpaper. Okay, I normally do that. Okay, now I'm going to insert the wallpaper for this slide. Maybe this one. Okay, it's small, but it's okay. And I'm going to just pull it to maximize the picture. Okay, lovely, right? Okay, I'm going to right click and send to back. Ta-da! So lovely. Okay, then I'm going to go to my third page. For my third page, I'm going to start by introducing some grammar components or grammar activities. So I'm going to insert a topic or a title. Okay, this logo, I got this from the internet. So I'm going to make it slightly smaller and put it at the end here. And then I'm going to put a border for the logo, maybe this, and you can enlarge the size of the border, okay, to make it more attractive. Alright, so today I'm going to share with you how can you take text from the internet or from Google Drive or from any document that you want to share on the slide. Okay, so I'm going to go to very basic because today's tutorial is mainly for students. Okay, right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the internet, Google, and I found this one website which is very good for grammar learning. Okay, so today I'm going to choose something from here for my e-bulletin project. So I'm going to click this one. Okay, and I wish to take the exercise from here, But as you can see, there are so many other things here. How am I going to save this? I'm not going to type this. So what I can do is I can print screen. Okay, so print screen is available on the keyboard, all desktops and laptop keyboards. So you just need to look for it. Okay, once you print screen, then you have to go to this application called, this program called Paint, P-A-I-N-T. Type Paint, and this is the one. It's also available in all desktop and laptop, even if I'm not mistaken, even the mobile phones. Okay, then I click paste and it's here. Okay, so now you have to minimize the size. Okay, then click on the select button and place the box very neatly to where you want your picture to be. Okay, I just want this part. Alright, and then I am going to crop this picture and then I'm going to save it. Save as. It's better to save in the same folder as your where your other documents have been saved. Okay, so I'm going to type this as tense. Save. Now I go back to my presentation just now, my slide presentation. Okay, I'm going to insert the picture in now. So it's typed under tense. Where is it? There it is here. Insert, and it's here. So I can enlarge it. It should be the font should be big, you know, so that it's readable. Okay, then I'm going to bring this to the front. So I'm going to click on this, right click, bring to front. Okay, then this one I can add a border. Okay, maybe this red would be quite, because it's plain white. Okay, right. And I can add a picture here. There's some space there. Yeah, this guy can come here. It's like warning you, grammar is important. Look at him. He's pointing. Looks quite serious here, Garfield. Okay, let's put a border for him now. Okay, right. So now I'm going to add the background. Insert the wallpaper. Okay. What should I choose? Maybe I'll just choose something green. Okay, this one. Yeah, lovely. Place it right at the corner and pull till it covers the whole slide. Okay. Right click, send to back. Ta-da! It's lovely, right? So now I'm going to show you the slide presentation that I have already prepared actually, okay, for my project. Okay, student project. Okay, so I'm happy with it now. So I'm going to save it as PDF. This is step number 4. Okay, choose where you're gonna save it and then click a name and save as. Here you need to change to PDF and save. Oops, sorry. Okay, right. It's all done here now. It's in PDF. Okay, now I'm going to go to step number 5. We'll go to the Anyflip website. Okay. Right. So on the Google bar, you just need to type Anyflip and then it appears right at the top. You click on that. Okay. You're almost done actually. You're almost done. Okay, you will come to the main page here and you can actually sign up. Okay, I have signed up here. So now you click on quick upload. Right. You have to have some patience. So if let's say your e-bulletin you have added a video or too many pictures, sometimes it can take extra time to upload. Okay, right. So now here I'm going to type the necessary details. Okay, so this one is Let's Learn English. Okay, so this is my project name and this is all about grammar and idioms. Okay, and here I would write English and this one would be something educative. Okay, oops. All right, never mind, non-fiction. Okay, so I'm going to upload my PDF now. You can always change the details later. So you have to remember where you saved your PDF. Go to the desktop. I think a slide. It was on the slide. Yeah, that's here. Click on this and open. So your PDF must be less than 150 MB. Yeah. Okay, it's taking some time and almost done. Poof. Okay, it's there. You can view it. Okay, the next step is that's here. Okay, you can change the background. Go to template and you can choose anything you want from here. Okay, so maybe I'll just choose this one. I haven't tried this yet. Florid. Double click and it's applying. Okay, there it is. Very nice. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a background music. So when my readers view my e-bulletin online, they can also listen to music. Okay, advanced, you click on advanced and then you click on toolbar setting and you scroll till you find the sound button. There, it's here, sound button. Okay, you go to the background sound, click on this box here, select file. So you should know where you saved your audio files, your audio. Preferably they should be instrumental. Instrumental. So I saved in the same folder actually. It's here. So I'm going to just choose one. Open. It's loading here. And once I'm happy with it, then I have to click this. You must remember this one is important. Apply change. It's applying. Okay. Then you can view it and the music will play. Yeah. Okay. It's nice. Okay. If you're happy with it, then we save and close. Okay, that's here. Right? It's beautifully posted up, uploaded on my Anyflip. So if I want to share, I just click here and you can share on Facebook, on Twitter, or you can just copy this link and share with your friends through WhatsApp or Telegram. You can even share the QR code. Okay, so it's up there for people's viewing. Okay, right. I hope all of you have understood and would really try this for your projects. I'm sure it will be very fun and you will definitely fascinate your teachers. Okay, they will be very impressed with your work. So please do try, and if you like my video, do like and subscribe and share my video, my tutorials to help the others. Okay, so have fun trying and have a nice day. Bye bye.